Hey everybody, Mr. Middleswart here, and I just wanted to take a few minutes of your time to talk about some of the options you have for registration upcoming for sophomore English, for English 10. And there are really two main options you can take, which are English 10 and Honors English 10. So I just wanted to go over those with you just for a minute so you could see what's offered and see if you had any questions, you can kind of get a lay of the land for what those classes are. So English 10 is taught by Miss Lynn, Miss Lavasser, and myself, and it covers a wide range of texts and skills and standards. The first half of the year is really focused on character development and theme. We do a wide range of texts from around novellas to memoirs and short stories, poetry, and some other pieces that are added into supplements. And for first quarter, like I said, really focused on character and theme. Second quarter, we transition into a memoir that looks at the essential question, how do our perspectives shape the world around us? And during that first semester, we really spend some time looking at literary analysis of those characters and themes with a lot of focus on textual support and citations to back up your ideas and your thinking. In the second half of the year for English 10, we move to a dystopian unit. And in that unit, there's a variety of texts that you can choose from. And so we try to figure out what's the best option for you based on your choice and what we think would be a good fit for you. And during that time, really thinking about reading strategies and rhetorical strategies, rhetorical devices. And so that's our main focus for quarter three. And then into quarter four, we branch out into some speaking and listening standards combined with some research work. And so that fourth quarter project is called the 20% project. And it's what we term as a passion project, where you choose the topic and the focal point for study, and we bring in the standards and the work to try to get a balance of what's interesting to you with some of the work that we can help you with, along with research and speaking and listening. So if you're interested in that as an option, that's English 10. Like I said, myself, Miss Lavasser, and Miss Lynn teach that. If that sounds good to you, you can check that out on registration day. Thanks for listening, and if you have any questions, you can email any of us. We'll try to get back to you with some added information. But the other option for English 10 is Honors English 10. And it's important to note up front that that course covers the same core standards that English 10 covers. So still a lot of work on literary analysis, speaking and listening, research, and some other pieces tied to your writing with citations and things like that. And so the main differences are that we add some additional standards to that. So we add in figurative language and word choice and some other deeper writing standards that we practice and work on as well. And that we do all of that writing and thinking and discussion at a faster pace than we would in a regular English 10 class. So semester one for Honors English is still centered around those same core elements of English 10. So we do literary analysis of character and theme, like I said, adding in figurative language and word choice for texts like Lord of the Flies and Animal Farm and Macbeth and some others. Into semester two, we still do a dystopian unit just like English 10, but with that it's focused on some more classic texts. We look at 1984, The Road, or Fahrenheit 451 as some options, and really add some layers around structure and deeper figurative language discussion too. And quarter four, again, we still do end that quarter with the 20% passion project, but for honors, that project spans the entire semester. So we just spend some more time digging deeper and adding some more layers to what that project entails. And we also add a fourth quarter text of Frankenstein by Mary Shelley to look at Gothic literature. So just a bit more reading at a bit faster pace and a lot deeper exploration at times of what all those pieces are compared to regular English 10. And in addition, the structure of the class is quite a bit different than the regular English 10 class. I call it a portfolio class, but the idea mainly is that you are much more responsible for the time management and deadlines. So the what and when of a lot of your assignments is still determined by us as a class. But in addition to that, let's say the other half of the what and when for assignments is up to you. And so that gives you a lot of responsibility and power and freedom, but it also adds a lot of responsibility and power that you are kind of in charge of, for better or worse. And so that's one of the goals, is for us to kind of work through that together, in addition to the added pace and deeper exploration that we would have compared to a regular English 10 class. So if that sounds good to you, I would just recommend talking with your current English 9 teacher to see if they think that's a good fit for you. And I'm happy to answer any and all questions that you might have if you're interested in taking Honors English 10. So thank you for listening. Take care, and hope you have a fantastic summer. Thanks.